Hi guys, we are playing Grand Challenge and so we are 9 in 2. So we have found the match against Zazy. Okay, let's see what deck is playing. So right now I'm using the Electrozyme deck, which is pretty popular in the meta at the moment. So I'll be teaching you how to win the matches in the Grand Challenge using this deck. This deck is literally easy to play deck and it just need no skill deck. Let's go with the knight here for his okay, he goes with the elixir pump. I'll just go with the Electrozyme, knowing that he spent 7 elixir on that. Okay, he got the Electro Dragon. I'll just place the the Little Prince there. So this is a perfect. I think we should get the easy tower here, because Little Prince is still alive. I'll just activate the ability at the end if needed. I'll activate it right now because I want to save the Little Prince, and like, yeah, it's gonna be remaining healthy as well. So we got the easy tower here, and like I think we already won the match, because I know like it will be very hard for him to come back in this match, to be honest, because the defense in this deck is very high. Like with the cannon and tornado you can defend everything, and also with the lightning for the Electro Dragon. So it's pretty easy for me. I want lightning because I would have, but the airplanes would be alive. So I'll just be like place the knight at the end. Hopefully you don't activate that. All right, yeah, he didn't activate the ability as well, so that's gonna be pretty easy for us to defend. He went with a golem, so we should be real careful, but we can defend this easy by using the lightning for the Electro Dragon, and the golem and the tornado is pretty good enough for defense, I guess. Let's go with the Little Prince on the side, because I don't want to like get the range of the lightning on all of those. Okay, he went with the elixir pump, so he won't be lightning any of the troops, so I'll just go with the lightning here. No, I'll just go with Electrozyme because he went with elixir pump, so should be easily defensible. But I should have went with the lightning, because if I had went the electro, like the Little Prince would have been stayed alive. But instead let's go with the lightning here. Okay, that was a pretty good lightning, to be honest, because we got the knight as well. So I think it's gonna be like 40 seconds remaining. Okay, gonna go with the golem here. I'll just go with the cannon high, and like I can just go with the Little Prince for the Electro Dragon. So should be an easy defense as well. I'll just go with the tornado for that. I think I need to activate the ability as well, so should be easily defended everything. I think the bowler is still alive, so it's gonna be easy. All right, I got that. I'll just go with the barb barrel for the that, and I'll just go with another cannon. Okay, cool. I should be easily. I just go with, okay, we're gonna lose the tower anyway, so we have to go with the another tower. I'll just go with the bowler here. So he's going aggressive, knowing that if he let me go, I'll just go with the, okay, he's gonna go with that. I'll just go with the cannon, and like I have to go with the tornado here. All right, so that's gonna be easy defense, to be honest. I'll just go with the Electrozyme as soon as possible. If I got the elixir, I'll just activate the ability here and wait for seconds, because he dropped the Little Prince, so I can't go with the Electrozyme because he can easily defend that. Okay, right now I can just go with the Electrozyme and kill the Little Prince, because I know that he has the Electro Dragon. So I'll just lightning the Electro Dragon and like other stops rather than that. Okay, the Electro Dragon, like I don't need as well, because the Electro Dragon went to the other lane. Okay, I can tornado and bowler will splash on the tower, obviously. So that's gonna be easy guys. That's gonna be 10 into. I can just use the lightning, and you might golem here, but that's all right. I have the lightning on that, so it's gonna be easy for us. Okay, we're gonna be the 10 into loss. I'll just go with the under match, and let's see who we'll be facing against. This deck is pretty easy deck, guys, in the meta, and like you can win any matches with this deck. Okay, we are in Hacker. So let's see what he's playing. We got the Electrozyme and Little Prince at the first. Okay, I'll just go with the Little Prince here. Little Prince also like pretty OP in the meta right now. Okay, let's see what he does. Okay, he goes with the Little Prince as well. So seems like we are playing the mirror deck. So in the mirror deck, whoever plays better and strategic will win the match. Okay, he's using the Electro Dragon. So that was pretty good lightning by me. He gave me quite valuable lightning, to be honest. I just went with the ability, which I shouldn't have gone, because I didn't know he has a bowler. Because the bowler, like, it's pretty easy defense for the Little Prince. So I'll just go with the cannon. I'll just go with the bowler right now, because he dropped the knight. I was thinking to go with the cannon, but okay, he gonna take some splash damage of bowler here. but should be okay with that because nothing can be done by me. I don't want to spend a lot of elixir with the tornado here. I should have tornado at the beginning, but that's all right. Okay, he's gonna go with the high electro dragon. Like I'll just go with the electro giant as soon as it crosses the river. Okay, let's see what he does. I'll just go with the little prince here with on my little prince, and maybe he gonna okay activate the ability. I won't activate it because I know like I will make him out of elixir here right now because our little prince is still alive. I'll just go with the activating the ability. I'll just go with the okay, that was pretty good. I'll just go with the barb barrel. All right, I think that's gonna be the game for us. I should be able to get some damage. Come on, cause he's not in elixir. I knew that. All right, yeah. So that's gonna be the game because we got tons of damage as well, and I don't know he will be able to come back in this match or not, but we got tons of damage on his tower. It's gonna be like 557 on his tower. I'll just go with the bowler here. So he might go with some like I don't know what he's playing. He may be playing the balloon deck. I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I think he's playing the balloon deck. I'll just go with the lightning here because I don't wanna like. Okay, I'll just go with the pretty good lightning for 3 of his main troops. So I think he gonna has the freeze and tornado. I knew that. Okay, he gonna be playing the freeze loon deck. So I'll just go with the cannon high, and like our little prince is still alive, so we don't need to worry about that. I'll activate the ability though because I just want him to use the elixir here, because if you went in like push, it's just the one push and your tower will be dead with a freeze loon. So need to be careful. I'll just use the I can go with the lightning, but that's all right. Okay, I'll just go with the high cannon here because I want the balloon to push there. So yeah, little prince will take care of the balloon. So what I can do is I can just use the tornado with this one, but that was not a good tornado to be honest. I'll just go with the bowler here and like barb barrel for the little prince. All right, it's gonna be not bad defense because the electro dragon was locked by the prince's tower. Okay, so I'll just go with the electro dragon here and just go with the little prince here. Not looking pretty bad. He can go with the freeze as well. I knew that. I'll just go with the lightning because I want to kill both of them. So I think electro dragon. All right, he gonna use the freeze. Okay, I have to use the tornado here because he is not giving me the any value. So I'll just use the tornado to splash on the tower, and that should be enough for me. All right, it's not gonna splash on the tower obviously. I'll just go with the another maybe the isn't. Okay, I'll just go with the first cannon because he's gonna go with that, and I'll just go with the bowler, and like I can go with the lightning as well, but I don't need enough. I can use the tornado, so that's why I don't need to use the tornado. I'll just activate the king here. Okay, gonna be like all right. Okay, he gonna use the freeze, so I don't think he gonna defend this push. I'll just use the lightning here for the tower, and like should he gonna use the tornado. Yeah, I'll just cycle the lightning because he's not giving me the value with any of the troops. He's defending pretty well right now, so that's why I'll just use the lightning here again. I'm gonna be easy here. Okay, just one lightning away. I'll just use a tornado, be safe from the attack. So yep, I can use the lightning right now and like win the match, but I'm just making him play. Okay, that's gonna be easy. All right, so let's go into the end the match and let's see. We are 11-2, so we need to get 12 wins. Okay, 11 wins. All right, let's go into the end the match. Okay, we found the match quite okay. Wiz Khalifa. All right. Gonna be the pretty funny name. Okay, let's see what he's playing. We got the the lightning. Okay, gonna go with the motor. I'll just go with that knight and the prince, little prince here. Okay, he gonna like I was predicting something, but like I didn't knew he got the dragons. So gonna be like okay defense, and let's see what other cards he has got. Okay, gonna go with the royal recruits out there. Let's see what he does. Royal recruits. Okay, let's go with the defense first, and like I need to be like very careful of the recruits because he got the evolution recruits. Okay, gonna go with a pretty good. Okay, I'm gonna be in trouble, I guess. Okay, that's gonna be fine. I use a knight here. I uses my all my elixir out there. So right now he need to defend in one lane. I will activate the ability of the Little Prince as well, because I want him to spend. Okay, I'm gonna should getting some damage in his tower right now. Okay, he got the minions as well, so that's gonna be easy defense for him as well. But he also has to use a lot of elixir here. Okay, you're gonna get some chip damage from the minions, but that's gonna be fine for us. Not looking bad to us, but obviously he's playing. So we should be aware of his evolved recruits. Obviously, you're gonna go with the mortar or the evolved recruits right now. Okay, mortar. I'm gonna take some damage here with the mortar because I don't want the to waste the elixir. I want to make this push a bit bigger. Okay, gonna go with the evil recruit. So I have the bowler here. That was pretty good for me. That's pretty good. Alright, the bowler is splashing on the tower. I'll just use a tornado here. So that should be a tower here. I'll just go with the evolution knight here. So looking pretty awesome, and should be the tower for us, to be honest. I'll just go with the bob barrel. And yeah, not the tower, but we got tons of damage. Let's go with the Little Prince here. Okay, minor, no worries. I can go with the bowler, and like he might have the recruits again here, but I can just go with that, and I can use the tornado for the royal recruits out there. Okay, gonna go with the mortar this time. What I can do is just use the lightning here, and I can activate the ability of the Little Prince as well, so that the royal recruits could be splashed out and the Little Prince is still alive here. So our okay, gonna be like pretty good damage on his tower. Can we get the damage of it? Alright, I'm gonna defend with the minor. Alright, I can just go with the bowler, and like I should be careful of the damage. I'll have to use the knight as well. So here his tower is gonna be 524. I'll just go with the electrogiant, and I can just go with the lightning here again. I'll just lightning his tower right now, not the mortar, because okay, I can use a tornado. Okay, that's gonna splash the tower. That's gonna be easy, guys. So that was pretty easy 20 wins. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more GCs with Ender decks, let me know in the comment section. I will be making a lot of videos with other decks as well. Okay, then see you in the next video, guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. That's gonna be more GCs I have won with the 12 wins. That's easy deck, it's to play. So we just open the chest off first, and let's see if you can get something good cards. Nothing good. Okay, see you in the next video, guys.